Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about 2x dv that is about cosine 3x ds. So the integration of this one we have 1 over 3 sine 3x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v and we have the integration this one with sine 3x ds. Now we need to concentrate on this one. This one that is about 12 plus 2x. So if we do first derivative, we have number 2. This one sine 3x. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 3 cosine 3x. So the integration of this one, we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v because we have the negative sign in here. So negative with negative we have positive. So number 2 over number 3. And then we have the integration cosine 3x ds. So this one that is about 1 over 3 sine 3x, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.